What is the traditional Japanese robe called? The options are A. Hanbok, B. Kimono, C. Sari. The correct answer is kimono. What is the traditional spinning dance of Turkish dervishes called? The options are A. Samba, B. Whirling, C. Pirouette. The correct answer is whirling. Which country traditionally celebrates the Lunar New Year with red envelopes? The options are A. China, B. Vietnam, C. Japan. The correct answer is China. What is the traditional Russian soup made with beets called? The options are A. Borscht, B. Pelmeni, C. Goulash. The correct answer is borscht. What is the traditional Korean dress called? The options are A. Yukta, B. Hanbok, C. Aodai. The correct answer is hanbok. Which culture traditionally performs the Haka war dance? The options are A. Fijian, B. Samoan, C. Maori. The correct answer is Maori. What is the traditional Scottish skirt worn by men called? The options are A. Cloak, B. Hijab, C. Kilt. The correct answer is kilt. What is the Jewish coming of age ceremony for boys called? The options are A. Bar mitzvah, B. Hanukkah, C. Shabbat. The correct answer is bar mitzvah. Which country celebrates carnival with colorful costumes and samba? The options are A. Argentina, B. Brazil, C. Peru. The correct answer is Brazil. What traditional Indian art uses colored powders to create floor designs? The options are A. Rangoli, B. Mehendi, C. Mandala. The correct answer is Rangoli. Which country's culture includes the tea ceremony as a ritual? The options are A. Thailand, B. India, C. Japan. The correct answer is Japan. What is the name of the fasting month observed by Muslims? The options are A. Eid, B. Ramadan, C. Hajj. The correct answer is Ramadan. Which island culture celebrates fire dancing and tattooing as part of its tradition? The options are A. Hawaiian, B. Tahitian, C. Samoan. The correct answer is Samoan. What do people in Spain traditionally eat at midnight on New Year's Eve? The options are A. Grapes, B. Olives, C. Almonds. The correct answer is grapes. Which African tribe is known for its beadwork and jumping dances? The options are A. Zulu, B. Maasai, C. Yoruba. The correct answer is Maasai. What is the traditional tattooing practice in Samoa called? The options are A. Hanami, B. Haka, C. Tattoo. The correct answer is tattoo. Which culture uses henna to decorate hands for weddings and festivals? The options are A. Indian, B. Chinese, C. Filipino. The correct answer is Indian. What is the traditional Mexican hat called? The options are A. Fedora, B. Sombrero, C. Beret. The correct answer is sombrero. What is the Japanese custom of viewing cherry blossoms called? The options are A. Hanami, B. Ikebana, C. Bonsai. The correct answer is Hanami. Which country's traditional culture includes throat singing? The options are A. Laos, B. Vietnam, C. Mongolia. The correct answer is Mongolia. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajra IQ for more fun quizzes.